So for question B, for part B, after tab A was on for 12 minutes, tab B was turned on. How long does it take for tab B to be on for both tanks to have the same amount of water? So how do you do this question? The method that I'll be using is big gap and small gap. Now, what is big gap? What's the meaning of big gap? For this question, big gap is the difference in total volume of water. Okay, or I'll just focus on difference in total. My small gap is going to be my difference in rates. So what do I mean by that? So at first, what is our big gap? Our big gap is 54 liters because tab A has been on for 12 minutes. Tab A has been on for 12 minutes. Tab B then was turned on. So this means tank A already has 54 liters of water, while tank B still have 0. However, based on the information given to us, we know that tab B is faster. Okay, we know that tab B is faster. Is B 36 minutes? Yes, you're correct. Okay, we know that tab B is faster. How much faster? That will be our small gap. We also need to make it faster. If not, it will never catch up. So every minute, it is 1.5 liters closer to tank A. So every minute is 1.5 liters closer. How many minutes do we need for that to become the same? And you'll get 36 minutes.